Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horseback is attached, and it's mighty black. Got the horses like a man, riding on the horse. You can work your way. I've been in the valley, ain't about that bush now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Hey, hey, riding on the track. Woo!
Hey, what's going on, Kuza family? Back in the cut. You already know what it is. Hope you guys like that little intro, that little guns. That little.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Yeah, you can't tell me nothing.
But yes, first of all, I want to give a special shout out to Daddy Anderson. I want to give you a shout out to you, bro, because basically he reached out to us through the email and he told us to react to this, to the song that we're about to react to. And I just want to say thank you for keeping us up to date with the culture in Iceland. You know, it's just nice to see the music scene still going on. And although like we don't upload much here and there, you know, you already know like I'm always in love with the scene. So it's only right, you know, we jump back on this and react to this potential banger. You get me? So today who we're reacting to is Kwabemane. Let me know if this guy's a new artist. You know, I haven't heard of him before. So you know, I'm always intrigued to hear the new artist. And he's got a song called Rutina, featuring Burger Hakon, and of course
the OG, Mr. Peanut Butter,
Mr. Head and Niches More, Mr. Coke Boys. You already know. So let's just get straight to it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get straight to it. Alright, come. Three, 2, 1, play. Kidney. Rutina. Am I saying it right? Rutina. Oh, some good drawing, innit? I think they're in court. They must have committed a crime or something. There's the judge. I think he said be silent.
He's a bit angry, fam.
Oh, so that's Kwabemane, yeah, that's okay. Alright. Mr. Peanut Butter, Gucci shades in that. So this is Kwabemane right now. Kwabemane, yeah?
Yeah.
Rutina. He's not trying to hear that. He's not hearing that. He seems very happy to be in jail.
Exactly. I'm so excited.
Okay. So this is Icelandic Joe, yeah? And this, so this guy's Burger Hakon right now. Yeah, Icelandic people, they're very strong, man. You know the mountain from Game of Thrones, it's nice, man.
Rutina. With the tattoos.
Imagine in his own clothes, like.
Exactly. He's so hot.
He's got his own little business guy, man. Yeah.
He gets a special
proper breakfast, like. Oh, he's upset, he didn't get a proper food, yeah. Hello, he's just, wait.
Just sitting eating. Yes. No. Rutina. Vale, rutina.
Okay, go ahead and this is more. Hey. You hear that? Okay. You just take his watch.
He's too cruddy, man. Oh my gosh.
You see why this guy is my favorite, fam?
He's so quick with it, man. He's quick with it.
I like the way he switches up his flow, like. Hey.
Rutina. Vale, rutina. Vale, rutina.
Yeah, comment down below what that means. Rutina, what does it mean? Oh, he coincidence. You must have paid him good, boy.
Those scenes look nice.
Yeah, Iceland's beautiful, cuz. Alright, speaking of, I'm coming there this year, guys. This year. Oh, is that the judge's house? Oh no. Don't do it to him, big guy. Yo, that was dope, man. That was dope. Oh, is that a new song? I don't know. But yeah, that was sick, man. Rutina. But yeah, I like the song. That was good. It's nice to see a new face in the scene. Crabamane, he's got good energy, good vibe. I like it, man. He, you know, suits and bears. Big Ear Hakon, is that how you pronounce his name? Big Ear Hakon, yeah. He's pretty cool as well. Like, he's got a good voice, he's got that deep voice, you know what I mean? And of course, Mr. Coke Boy, Mr. Helenic Small, his flow is just so wavy. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed it, man. That's a good song, good song.
Yeah, fam, that's a good way to come back as well, fam.
Yeah, man.
Feels refreshed, like, you know, and Mr. Peanut Butter, new guys, Crabber Man, and Big A, fam. Like, you know, we're back, mate.
Back, man. We're back. I know we said it a couple times before, but now we back,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
back.
But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy that video. Comment down below what song we should react to next.
Yeah.
Make sure you like, smash the thumbs up button. Share this video to your friends, family, you know what I mean, cousins, whatever. And most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already. And also subscribe to my other channel called Prince Anita. All the information will be in the description box down below. So click on the link, subscribe to that channel. But yeah, man, that's a Utina. You guys are Kizo, we're Kizo, everything Kizo, Kizo family, stay shining, peace out. Love, and we're out. Pa!
Yeah.